Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by launching Capcut and loading the project you'll add speech to. Once open, import your media and drag a clip onto the timeline so you have a target track. Make sure playback is set to the part you want narrated. That helps the TTS timing. Next, click the audio or text-to-speech tool so the interface shows voice options. This gets you immediately into the first actionable step rather than lingering on setup. You'll now generate the voice. Open the text-to-speech panel, pick a voice that matches your tone, and paste or type the script. Once done, tweak speed and pitch to make the reading natural, slower for clarity, a touch-up for energy. Preview repeatedly and use small increments for speed or pitch changes. After you're satisfied, apply the audio to the timeline, align it to the clip, and trim any silence so the narration syncs precisely with visuals. Finish by balancing levels. Open the mixer, lower background music, and nudge the TTS clip for tight lip sync or scene timing. Once done, export a short test file to confirm final audio quality and timing on another player. If the voice sounds robotic or fails to export, make sure you've applied the TTS clip to the timeline, try a different voice preset, and clear Capcut's cache before retrying. That single troubleshooting step fixes most common export or playback problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.